guys, today we're going to fix the electric switch that automatically shuts off. So I had to pick up a switch and I got a length of wire, and I'm going to make a remote switch. So I'm going to hook the switch here to the wire and then carry the wire back and bring the motor wire into this box and bring the on-off wire into the box, and also bring in the power wire. And the reason I'm going to do all this is because later I intend to put a coolant system in, and with the coolant system I'll be able to just tie into this box and maybe even put the switch on it as well. So anyways, we'll strip the wires, get the switch. I'll strip the wires back and get the switch and connected, and then I'll route the wire and then figure out where I'm going to put the box at.
This is going to be a montage video of the electrical box.
Okay, and for the electrical box, I just got this piece of T-square, and this will give me lots of mounting options, but I'm going to cut these tabs off here and here, and then I'm going to drill holes, and those holes will be equally spaced for one of these blocks to put in the back. So I'll go ahead and cut these tabs off and drill the holes. Okay, so now we got the box. Go ahead and put the mount on it.
So now I'm going to show you how not to drill a hole in plastic.
Did I get that on camera? Okay, at least temporarily, I'm going to go ahead and put the box right here. So we'll start by bringing the box over here. Just about there. Again, I'll leave a little slack just so I can figure out where I'm going to put all of these things. Alright, and so then previously I'd hardwired the motor. So the motor is wired right now properly. So I'm just going to bring this down and get enough slack to bring it into the box there. motor, and then there's the power wire. And so here's a ground lug I fabricated. I'm going to go ahead and put that behind one of those bolts there. The shutoff block. This, when the saw goes all the way down, this thing will turn the saw automatically. And I'm drilling this out 1364 for a quarter 20.
I didn't record a whole lot of detail on this or installing it, but at the end I'll show you. It's the white block. It goes and it shuts the switch off.
Okay, we're going to demonstrate the shutoff switch down. There you go. Now it's done. Thanks for watching, guys.